Hi, welcome back to Bradfords TV. My name is Scott and today I'm going to show you a plate compactor which you can get from our gardening and landscaping range from Bradfords Tool Plant. So the plate compactor vibrates rapidly, forcing particles together to compact the ground and making it more stable for things like driveways and patios. Some of the benefits from hiring from Bradfords Plant and Tool Hire is that all our kit is less than 5 years old. We also have the benefits of our loss and damage waiver, which protects from anything that goes wrong. We have friendly and experienced staff that are there to help and give you any advice when it's needed. When using a bit of kit like this, it's very important to have PPE. You need to have hand, ear, eye and foot protection, such as your ear defenders, your gloves, your glasses and the all-important safety boots. So now I'm going to show you how to start the plate compactor. If you did have any issues starting, we've always got our safety leaflet in with our service card, just in the envelope here. To start the machine, we've got our throttle cable, we've got our choke, and we've got our fuel switch, which is on and off. We're going to keep it in the on position for what we're going to use now. We have the on switch here. To start the machine, you flip it to on and pull the handle back so that you get access to the pull cord. Choke on, give it some revs, and then we pull the pull cord. Push the choke off. That's another surface prepared. And if you want to hire a plate compactor or anything else from our gardening and landscaping range, we've got branches all over the southwest. Thanks for watching.